Selamat datang di Auto Ngepak Channel. Ini adalah channel sederhana berisi tentang segala sesuatu yang berhubungan dengan Suzuki Carry. Mulai dari review Suzuki Carry, desain modifikasi Suzuki Carry, gambar vektor, tanya jawab dan tips otomotif, info jual beli carry bekas, dan juga vlog bebas cerita tentang Suzuki Carry.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Shollu ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Semoga kita dalam keadaan sehat dan selalu dalam lindungan Allah. Jangan lupa untuk selalu bersyukur dan beribadah lebih rajin lagi untuk mempersiapkan diri di masa depan. Suka duka acara anniversary 8 Suzuki Carry Club Indonesia Chapter Masbarlingcap masih terasa. Banyak para pengguna Suzuki Carry yang tidak menyangka kalau mobil kesayangannya bisa melewati jalur ekstrim dataran tinggi Dieng. Walaupun ada beberapa anggota yang mengalami trouble selama perjalanan, tapi mereka tetap semangat dan bahu-membahu saling bantu sebagai wujud kebersamaan dan solidaritas dengan sesama. Sebagai bayaran dari semua usaha tersebut, para tamu anniversary 8 SCCI Chapter Masbarlingcap dapat menikmati pemandangan alam yang luar biasa. Apalagi dengan sajian live musik yang menambah keceriaan dalam meramaikan anniversary 8 SCCI Chapter Masbarlingcap. Berikut kami sajikan dokumentasi ringkasan sukacita dalam meramaikan anniversary 8 SCCI Chapter Masbarlingcap yang dilaksanakan pada tanggal 18 September tahun 2022. Hangatnya suasana persaudaraan dapat melawan dinginnya udara dataran tinggi Dieng Banjarnegara. Sukses terus untuk Suzuki Carry Club Indonesia, semoga semakin solid, semakin berkah, dan bermanfaat bagi sesama.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la.
young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, when your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you